Okay guys, I'm going to show you quickly how to download the videos you made on FaceFusion on Vast.ai. Here in the FaceFusion dashboard, you see here you have your output path. It's going into TMP. You want to change that to root. Then, when you make a face swap, like I'm putting Donald Trump's face on Frank Sinatra here, start. That's done. Now all you gotta do is go back to your Jupyter, click refresh, you'll have it there. Now you can download. Let's say that you already made your swap, waited a while for it to go through. You didn't choose root. You still had it at TMP, temp. What you're gonna have to do, go to console, cd/TMP ls. So I already made one before. As you can see, it's right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go sudo mv, which is the move command. Then you're going to do star.jpg if you made an image. If you made a video, you're going to do star.mp4. Okay, that's going to take every JPEG in the temp file and move it to root. So you're going to type in this command exactly, no capitals. We'll check if it worked. So I'll go to my root ls. It did work. So it's in there now. And which means it will also be here. Cool. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments, and I hope this helps answer anybody's question regarding this.